Hello guys, today in this video we will learn how to reset our lost or forgotten password in Windows 10. As you can see, I can't log into my Windows because I forget my password. It says the password is incorrect. Let's try it again. Okay, now we will reset our password, but before resetting our password, we must have our Windows DVD in our DVD-ROM, or we must have a bootable Windows USB drive. In this case, I have a bootable Windows USB drive. And one thing more, I've installed this Windows on a virtual machine only for the demonstration. Okay, so let's restart our PC, and when we restart our PC, it will ask us to hit or to press any key. At that time, you have to press a key. It can be any key. So let's press a key. Now wait for the computer to reboot from the USB drive. It will um, load files from our USB. Okay, next, and repair your computer. Then troubleshoot. Now advanced option, and now command prompt. Here type the drive later like CDE where you have installed your Windows. In my case, I have installed it in D, so I type D and colon. Now I am in D. Let's check whether our Windows is installed here or not. Type dir and hit enter. As you can see, Windows is installed in this directory. Okay, now I want to enter to that Windows directory. So for that, type cd plus space Windows, and now we are in Windows directory. We are going to enter the system32. So type cd space system32. Hit enter. Now I want to know whether my file is here or not. For that I have to check it. To check it, just type dir and the file name, which is osk.exe. As you can see, our file is here. Now I want to rename that file. So to rename it, just type ren, then this file name, which is osk.exe, then space, and the new file name, which is osk.exe, and type anything. I just type new, hit enter. Now we want to copy this file. Okay, to copy it, just type copy, then cmd.exe, which is command prompt, then space, then the file which is osk.exe, .exe. Now this file is copied. Exit this command prompt and press continue. Now our PC will be restarted, and this time don't press any key. Now just click on ease of access, and now on screen keyboard type net user and the name of the account which you want to reset its passwords, and then static net user admin and static. Hit enter your new password, hit enter. After and your password is reset. Type the new password now. This is my new password, and let's check whether it works or not. As you can see, I access my Windows. Thanks for watching. Please like and share my videos. See you in the next video. Bye.